Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. Today, we're going to show you how to optimize your product listings for SEO on Shopify with 7 steps in total. So, why does SEO matter for your Shopify store? In short, SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your products rank higher on search engines like Google. This means more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more sales. Optimizing your product listings is crucial for attracting potential customers who are searching for products like yours. Let's ensure your Shopify store is set up correctly for SEO. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Online Store, then Preferences. Here, you can set your title and meta description for your homepage. Make sure to include your primary keywords naturally. Next, let's dive into optimizing your product titles and descriptions. Your product title should be clear and include relevant keywords. For example, instead of cool t-shirt, try men's cool graphic t-shirt summer collection. Now for the product description. Write detailed, engaging descriptions that incorporate your keywords naturally. Highlight the benefits and features of the product. Avoid keyword stuffing and ensure your content is easy to read. Images are a crucial part of your product listings. Make sure to add descriptive alt text to each image. This helps search engines understand what the image is about, improving your SEO. For example, instead of I am gone 1234, use men's graphic t-shirt blue. To add alt text, go to your product page, click on an image, and enter the alt text in the provided field. Make sure it accurately describes the image. To take your SEO efforts to the next level, you can use SEO apps from the Shopify App Store. But how do you choose the best one? That's where Taranker comes in. Taranker offers comprehensive reviews and comparisons of various SEO apps, helping you make an informed decision. Go to Taranker.com and navigate to the Shopify SEO apps category. Here, you can explore the top free apps, top 20 apps 2024, and best apps lists. You can also use the compare feature to evaluate different apps based on user reviews and detailed comparisons. Once you've selected the SEO app that fits your needs, you can proceed to install it through the Shopify App Store. Let's head to the Shopify App Store and install an SEO app. For this example, we'll use SEO Manager. Search for SEO Manager on Taranker, click Install App, and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store. SEO Manager offers various tools to optimize your store, including keyword suggestions, meta tag editing, and more. Optimizing your product URLs and handles is another important aspect of SEO. Make sure your URLs are clean and include your main keywords. For example, instead of Productone 1234, use men's cool graphic t-shirt. This helps search engines and users understand what the page is about. To do this, go to your product page, scroll down to the search engine listing preview, and click Edit Website SEO. Adjust the URL to be keyword-rich and user-friendly. Optimizing your product listings for SEO is an ongoing process. Use tools like Google Analytics and the SEO app you installed to monitor your performance. Adjust your strategy based on the data you collect, such as which keywords are driving the most traffic and which product pages need improvement. Regularly update your product listings with fresh content and new keywords to stay ahead of the competition. And that's it. You've learned how to optimize your product listings for SEO on Shopify. By following these 7 steps and leveraging the right tools, you can improve your store's visibility and attract more customers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!